what's up and welcome back everybody. I'm back with another mukbang. And today we got some chili cheese dogs. So let's get into it. Y'all take a look at these. This is the last time y'all had a really good chili cheese dog. I bet you it's been a while since you had a good one. Now let's get into it. First bite, friend. They nice and warm. Ain't nothing like a nice chili cheese dog. Y'all, I can't say that this brings back childhood memories because my mama never made chili cheese dogs as a kid, but shout out to my husband's family because y'all, I didn't get introduced to these until I was in high school. And my drink for today, I just got some plain old water. Ooh, water be so delicious. Y'all, I was so like, when they introduced me to these, I was a little scared at first because I didn't like eating messy foods, and y'all know chili cheese dog can get real messy real quick. But once I tasted them, I was like, clutch my pearls. What have I been missing out on? Y'all. Oh! But before I keep going, how are y'all doing today? Y'all doing all right? Y'all low key, my only con to eating any type of hot dog is, why is there so much bread? Like, I do not like all the bread. Like, it be too much bread. Well, I hope everybody doing all right. Ooh. I'm doing real good today. Like, no complaints over here. Having a little quick lunch break. And I wanted something fulfilling but quick. And baby is doing his job. This was all ready in less than 15 minutes. Bowl of hot dogs is canned chili. Season it up a little bit. Basically just warming it up. I toasted my, well, I didn't toast my buns, but I did microwave my buns for like 15 seconds because I like them warm. Because then when I started layering my cheese, okay. So how I layer it is I warm up my buns for like 15 seconds. I put some shredded cheese down, and then I put some chili, the hot dog, more chili, and then more excuse me, chili, and then more cheese to top it off. So I like putting cheese at the bottom because in case the bread breaks, it kind of helps hold it together because it get all melty and stretchy and stuff like that. See, hack. Y'all better get y'all some of these. This is like one of the best dinners you can make because it's so quick. Is it the healthiest? No. But when you strap for time, chili cheese dogs, fulfilling and quick. Ooh. Woo. I'm gonna be set until dinner time. Y'all, I really do not like all this extra bread. Like, why is there so much bread? But anyways, yeah, just taking a quick break right now. I'm not doing a whole lot today. Just strategizing and planning. And we have a trip coming up that I'm planning for. So I'm thinking about bringing equipment to film. Like part personal trip, but also part business trip. And I'm so excited for this trip. So I'm gonna bring y'all along with me, because we're gonna be eating a whole lot of food when we get there. Like, I'm so excited for this trip that I'm planning. So we're planning this trip. I've also been trying to decide, do I want to just film everything and then make like a comprehensive video for y'all, or I mean, regardless, it's going to be filmed in segments. But do I put all the segments together in one video, or do I separate each segment into its own little video? Yeah. Oh, excuse me. I don't know yet, y'all. I don't know. But I mean, y'all can tell me, would you rather have one compiled video of the stuff I eat from my trip, or would you prefer each thing I eat be its own separate segment video type of thing? So y'all just let me know. And to be honest, I could do both. Like, there's gonna be so much content taken from this trip that I could do both. Like, I could film each food segment and have each thing that I eat as its own video, plus make a whole compiled video of like the overall trip. So I could do either or I could do both for y'all. Just let me know what y'all want. I got y'all. I'm satisfied. The chili cheese dogs did what they needed to do. I couldn't ask for anything more. Ooh. That's all I got for y'all. I ain't even gonna hold y'all. Again, y'all let me know what y'all prefer down in the comments. We will revisit this sometime, maybe in a couple weeks. I don't know. But I'll keep y'all updated on what I decide to choose. But other than that, that's all I got for y'all today. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. I'm grateful for y'all. But without further ado, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Excuse me.